Now what I do and what our team does now. So first campaign. So the first strategy I discuss, you need to create 4 campaigns. First will be close match, second will be loose match, third will be substitute, fourth one will be compliments. But what we do, suppose we are going to create a campaign for close match. So for close match we need to create 3 campaigns. The first campaign will be close match, but it will be targeted for top of the search. How we do it? We make the bid 1 rupees, and since it is going to focus on top of the search, we go to the settings, campaign settings, here adjust bids by placement. Then we make the top of the search starting with 400%. That means if we are bidding 1 rupees, it will be 5 rupees. Amazon will take it at 5 rupees. The second campaign will be based on product page. So for product page, we have to make sure the top of the search is 0, but the product page is 400%. Now you can start with 500, 600 if you want to be very aggressive in launch. So this is for top of the search and product page. Now if you can ask me, you may ask me, what about rest of the search? So for rest of the search, it is relatively complicated. So for rest of the search, you have to make the bid the lowest, but you do not have to touch these 2 things. Make it 0 and wait for impressions. If you don't see impression, increase this evenly, same. Okay, if you are going to increase it 1%, make sure you increase it also 1%. The both will be same increments. So for close match, there will be 3 campaigns. One will be top of the search, second one will be product page, third one will be rest of the search. For substitute loose match, there will be 3 campaigns. First campaign will be close match, top of the search. Then the campaign name will be like this: close match, top of the search. Then the product name. The third one will be rest of the search, close match, and the product name. The second campaign that we are going to focus for the second targeting, that is suppose loose match. For the loose match also you need to create 3 campaigns, and for substitute and compliments, total you need to create 6 more campaigns. So total 12 campaigns you have to make. Each campaign will be divided to targeting. So for close match there will be 3 campaigns, for loose match there will be 3 campaigns, for substitute there will be 3 campaigns, for compliments there will be 3 campaigns. Now it may seem a little bit higher in terms of you, like it will spend a lot of budget, but now your listing has a lot of data. Amazon is not going to spend